Halco's Controls-Ready Center Basket Troffer is a sleek and modern in-ceiling LED lighting solution, available as both Troffers and Retrofit kits. This powder-coated steel fixture is available in 3 different sizes and features both lumen and color temperature selectability for maximum flexibility in applications such as commercial buildings, schools, healthcare, and retail facilities. The center basket troffer delivers over 125 lumens per watt, has a color rendering index of 80+, and an L70 over 50,000 hours. Designed for new construction, renovations, and recessed ceiling retrofits, it features a fully illuminated frosted acrylic center basket that provides uniform illumination while reducing glare. Removable end caps discreetly cover housings for a 3.5mm integrated sensor control receptacle on one end and an optional emergency battery push-to-test button insert on the other. Both are designed with a simple wire quick connect for easy install. This installer-friendly troffer mounts easily into drywall using either our surface mount kit or flange mount kit. The troffer can also mount directly into a recessed ceiling application. The retrofit kits can be installed onto most existing standard fluorescent troffers and panel fixtures, turning them into energy-efficient, control-ready luminaires. This cost-effective upgrade eliminates the need for additional materials, rewiring, and extended labor. Available accessories for this troffer and retrofit kit include surface mount kits, flange mount kits, an emergency battery backup kit, and end caps with a 3.5mm receptacle for either a PIR or microwave sensor. Both the troffer and retrofit kit are DLC 5.1 Premium and UL listed in Canada and the United States. They are also FCC Part 15 compliant and IC rated for direct contact with insulation. Halco's Controls-Ready Center Basket Troffer and Retrofit Kit are the perfect solution for new construction, renovations, and retrofit applications needing an energy-efficient luminaire. For more information on the Controls-Ready Center Basket Troffer and other great products from Halco, visit www.halcolighting.com and follow us on social media.